Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of ChemicalGuys Detail Garage. Today we are actually off-site. We are here with Hoonigan for their this versus that show. But there's no water, there's nothing around us, there's mountains, there's a beautiful view. So we thought we would show you guys how to properly wash a car anywhere, anytime. So we have this beautiful Porsche.
It's a 1991.
1991, and we also have a point of view. So you guys will see Jason's view of how to properly clean this Porsche.
Hands on.
Hands on. Oh wow, hands on.
Hands on.
Anyways, so we're gonna be using EcoSmart waterless wash inside our Mr. Sprayer atomizer. So like this, we relax our fingers while still washing the ride. We already have 3 towels set up on this side, 3 towels set up on that side. So Jason, grab your Mr. Sprayer, and I'll grab my Mr. Sprayer. It's already in my hand, and we'll start off in the hood, and we're gonna work backwards, all right?
Okay.
So EcoSmart waterless wash can work on multiple different surfaces, such as your headlights, your glass, your vinyl tops, your plastics, your wheels, your glass, and your painted surface. So like this, you achieve a scratch-free wash anywhere, anytime using 0 water. So we already diluted EcoSmart waterless wash inside here. So all you next need to do is just pump your atomizer.
How many pumps, Henry?
About like 6.
Okay, I did 3, 4, 5, 6.
So once it already has pressure,
tight.
You'll go to the area you're working on. You'll lightly mist it.
Okay.
You'll let EcoSmart saturate the dirt, grime, and debris. And then you'll grab a clean microfiber towel. Make sure to inspect it for any tags. There's a tag right there. You remove the tag. You grab your microfiber towel. You wipe in one direction. And you guys can see how much dirt and grime is actually on there. So this Porsche does an amazing job at hiding dirt and filth. But today we're gonna be washing it using 0 water. As you guys can see, my towels are flying, so let me just hold on to them because remember, keep this in mind. Once your towel falls,
can't use it anymore.
You can't use it anymore.
So,
and we have no water, so we have no way
so I'm
to
gonna pop this under my arm here. Take one step forward because I know this is going to definitely have a tag on it. Rip that tag off, pop that in my pocket.
So Jason,
refold my guy here just so that it's prepped and ready. Look how windy it is, guys. Look at this. If you were golfing right now, you would know you're going to shank this thing to the left. Get a nice even coverage here on this panel.
So Mr. Sprayer atomizer can also be used with multiple different products. It could be used with glass cleaners. It could be used with quick detail sprays, waterless washes. So like this, you save time, you save effort. So Jason, look how dirty my towel is.
I know, I'm going for another edge here. Nice, got 2. And then, do you flip it to a clean side and buff it?
Yeah, so EcoSmart waterless wash has a carnauba in it. So it's going to leave a haze behind, so you just flip over to the clean side, buff it right off, and you're basically good to go. Like this, you stay protected. Any fallout, contamination that might land onto the surface of the vehicle, it's just simply going to sit on the surface. It's not going to embed itself deeper into the clear coat. Nice. So I guess whenever you come with a quick detail spray and you spray it and you wipe it off, it's going to wipe off very easy. So you can do this process around the whole entire vehicle, just in case if you live in an apartment, your landlord doesn't allow you to spill water, or you're in a drought or something. This is when you could just use EcoSmart waterless wash to achieve a scratch-free wash on any color vehicle, while enhancing the shine, the reflection, and the protection.
All the things we love at Chemical Guys. Wow, that is definitely looking way better than it was before.
So Jason, look, I'm going to unfold my towel, and I'm just going to show you how dirty this Porsche actually is, all right? So this Porsche does an amazing job at hiding filth.
Oh yeah, it did not look that
dirty.
But
it's pretty dirty. So we're adding shine, and we're protecting it all in one easy step.
That's great.
So we're going to give you guys a quick time lapse, or Jason's going to give you guys a quick time lapse of us cleaning the whole entire car. Then we also have that other angle over there, which is going to show us doing the whole entire car. And then we'll show you guys the results after we've done EcoSmart waterless wash around this whole entire Porsche. Jason, can I take you out for dinner?
I mean, I don't think I have a choice today, Henry. We're off site.
So is that a yes?
That is a yes.
So EcoSmart, like I told you guys, can be virtually be used on multiple different surfaces. It can be used on your wheels, it can be used on your paint. You guys can see all that dirt and grime that comes right off. You simply spray or mist it. If you're using Mr. Sprayer, just mist it on there, get a clean side of microfiber towel, wipe it, and like this you achieve a wheel cleaning process, a car wash process with one single product.
Now, when you're using these on wheels, is it just as important to use clean microfiber towels, or can you use a dirtier towel?
You could use a dirtier towel, but if you are working with very sensitive wheels, customized wheels, anodized wheels, or any special finish, I always recommend using a clean towel because they're sensitive.
My side of the car, I use 2 towels, essentially.
I use 2 towels too.
So we used 4 for the entire car.
4 for the whole entire car. The shine is now there. There's no more dirt, there's no more grime, there's no more debris. We clean glass, we clean mirrors, wheels. The paint looks amazing just by using EcoSmart waterless wash.
Yeah, you can hear there's racing going on behind us.
That sounds beautiful.
And we'll have to show you that car in the next video.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, if you guys like this video today of the POV from Jason showing you how to do a waterless car wash, all POV style, make sure to drop a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of these POV style videos, let us know exactly what you want us to clean, whether it's wheels, headlights, interior, glass. Drop a comment down below. Let us know exactly what you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the ChemicalGuys Detail Garage.
See you next time.